Welcome back everybody to the YouTube channel. We got the cherry picker here, got the prostock outside, and let me turn this around. And we got the two motors ready to go to Monk Motorsports. So we're gonna get to it and get these suckers loaded in the back of the truck. Alright guys, so now we got the first motor loaded, we got one more to go, and then we get to hit the road, and like I said, we'll head over to Trevor's over at Monk Motorsports, so stay tuned. Alright, we got the 383 and the Old Faithful both loaded up, ready to go. Guess next stop, Trevor's. We got both the motors dropped off over to Trevor's over at Monk Motorsports. Got to chit chat with him a little bit on what we plan on doing with the motors, and you know, from there we will see what kind of happens. But it was real cool coming there, being able to check out his shop, see what all he has going on. So Trevor, thank you. Can't wait to see what the motors will turn out like by the time it's all said and done. Getting pretty excited, so. Open.
Pizza, pizza.
Tucked in or out, or tucked in, or
possibly tucked in.
Welcome back. You got Jeff over here. We are actually got to tear apart the nose. We got some welding left to do on it, so let's jump in, get that sucker tore off, and get to welding. I got pipes, but
I can say too.
yeah.
You fall to get down on me there,
Hey!
Hey, it's a crotch party right up in here. Why don't you lick on this big John?
Stop it!
Alright, so while Jeff's welding there, let me grab a couple things, show you guys what we got. So we got more washers to go around the front bumper. Had to finish up that, broke a couple. Hard on equipment. Got us our last missing flow yellow rocker so we can get that sucker on. And then we got us a nice new sticker kit for the nose. So make it shine right back up. Let's go. So how salty do you think it is?
Salty.
Salty. Hot.
It's a little bit hot.
It's a little hot. Oh. His horn. Look at that form. And just like that, just got that sucker all welded up, so he's gonna clean it up, it appears, and we're gonna make sure, obviously, it still fits. So got your just like that. Bumper's welded. Bumper's back on. We're gonna have to paint it. But we're just gonna mock everything back up, and then at that point we can get going actually on those body washers. You know, the washers do look pretty good.
They do.
Pops really good. Fight the dust.
Maybe we should get down here in the action.
Yeah. Let's take a closer look, Bob.
That's wicked. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, I better not do that. Oop, oop. That's good. Oh, the bar's like right in the way on that one.
You know what that means?
What?
Remove the bar.
Not going anymore. I'm breaking that one. Oh, we gotta do a repair. Because we already broke one. I was going the wrong way. Oops. Hard on equipment, but
I'm a bad camera guy. I keep not watching the camera and it keeps going down. Know what I mean?
bowl washer. Hold on. I'm going. Good enough. Custom. You know, I don't know. I don't know yet. But in the end, it shall work out. We shall win that sucking car. Or we will die trying. People ain't ready for the hurricane, you know what I mean?
The what?
The hurricane! Actually, no, it's like a lightning McQueen, and I'm like...
Tomater?
No, I ain't Tomater. I'm Chick Hick, dude, for sure.
Huh?
I'm Chick Hick.
You're Chick Hicks.
Yeah, Kachuga.
I'm the king.
You are not the king.
Yeah, mama. I'm the king.
Then I was always like that. Dustin's like... Dustin and Saucy, same category. They would be like the queens, you know what I mean? The Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow! Fuckers always get like best looking car and shit.
Oh my god, dude. Those motherfuckers.
Dude, it's always rigged. It has to be.
They're paying the gods.
Yeah. Pay the gas.
We can't win with the reps on the payroll.
All right. Listen up. I got an idea to end all this bullshit.
It does look pretty cool, huh?
It does. And just like that, dude, it's on. Got the old big boy power plant. So my older brother Andrew gave me a call today. Needed a hand unloading a new motor he got for the Pro truck he ended up actually buying off of Troy. So was the old Dale truck. Don't know if he's still gonna keep the Dale truck look or if he's gonna do his own, but pretty excited for him. Get ready to see him hit the track in his own car. Well, guys, we didn't quite get as much done as we planned, but you know, we made progress. We got parts here, so can't complain too much in that aspect. As far as everything else, dad life and just life in general has me pretty tied up, so you know, next video we'll just keep picking away. But that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, hit share, you know. Let's see if we can hit 1,000 subscribers or whatnot. But anyways, guys, again, like I said, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.